Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to enable Copilot Voice Assistant and use Copilot Voice Mode in Windows. To do that, type Copilot and open the app. Click sidebar icon from the top left. Click Profile Photo. Select Settings. Scroll down. Under Voice Mode, enable Listen to Hey Copilot to start a conversation. Toggle this option on. Now I can close this program. And in microphone, I can say, Hey Copilot.
Hey, decent. What's on your mind today?
And it will be activated. Now I can communicate with Copilot without typing. And it will respond. Hey Copilot, what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a programming language that's mainly used to create interactive features on websites, like animations, forms, and dynamic content. It's what makes web pages come to life.
And you see here is its response. So this is how you can activate or enable Copilot Voice Assistant and use Copilot Voice Mode in Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.